Good day everyone and welcome to Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative. Sa mga gustong magpa-member ng ating kooperatiba and sa mga nagtatanong paano ba magpa-member sa Cebu People's Co-op and magkano ba yung bayad ng maging isang member ng ating cooperative at ano yung matatanggap natin the moment na tayo ay maging member na ng ating cooperative. So sa mga ka-peoples po natin, ito po yung ating matatanggap or membership kit. The 6,000 pesos, ayan. Ayan, Cebu People's Co-op, paper bag, and ito po yung laman worth of 6,000. So, and isa-isahin natin mga ka-peoples. Jacob, ano ba yung matatanggap namin the moment maging member kami ng kooperatiba ninyo? First, sa 6,000 po, meron na po tayong savings deposit initial na 50 pesos. So, it's your choice kung dadagan po ninyo ang inyong savings account. Maintaining balance po natin is 1,000 pesos. Then, magkakaroon po siya ng interest na 1% per annum and tax-free. Then, kung gusto po niyo i-withdraw, you can withdraw it sa mga branches po natin or mag-fund transfer po kayo through our website. Next is that makakatanggap ka ng People's Co-op ID. Yan, it's your People's Co-op ID para meron kang pinaghawakan na ikaw ay legit talaga na member ng ating cooperative. Next is that makakatanggap ka din ng share capital. It's a green passbook. Right? So magkakaiba po sila. Kanina, savings passbook, and today, it's your share capital na magkakaroon ka ng 2,500 pesos. And this is your money. Magagamit po ninyo ito kapag ikay gustong mag-business, mag-apply ka ng loan. And take note, all loans are subject for approval. So 2,500, pwede po ninyong i-loan po ito ng biglaan. The moment you become a member of the cooperative, you can apply for the 2,500 na loan, mga ka-peoples. Right? Next is that makakatanggap ka din ng MC3 card. So, malaking tulong po ito, mga ka-peoples co-op. So, what's the use of your MC3 card? Hindi lang natin i-detail lahat, but one of the basic use po nating MC3 card or My Co-op Cares card na ito talaga yung popular dito sa Cebu, sa lahat ng mga members po natin, na in case of emergency, right? Kung wala kang HMO, wala kang insurance, then kailangan mo talagang i-admit. So, pwede po itong ipapakita sa ating mga affiliated na mga hospitals. Then, we can open a credit line for you worth to 50,000 pesos. So, halimbawa, ikaw ay member ng cooperative, tapos nagkakasakit ka and gusto mo na magpa-admit sa hospital. So, just present this card. Okay? Meron po itong katumbas na 50,000 na credit line. Alright? But, paglabas natin sa hospital, mga ka-people's co-op, we need to sign the prom note kasi we need na bayaran. So, hindi po ito insurance, hindi po ito HMO. But, this is an easy access na kung ikaw ay nagkakasakit, wala kang problema for the down payment. Alright? Yan. Tapos, in case yung member natin, mga ka-peoples, is mamatay talaga, nakahanda na po siya. Yung Damayan program po natin or Damayan certificate, kasali na po ito sa kit na in case of death ng member po natin, meron na po siyang St. Peter plan. Right? Then the amount of St. Peter plan, more or less, mga almost 100,000 po yun. Okay? Then meron po itong cash assistance worth 20,000 pesos. Hindi na magkakaroon ng problema yung mga member po natin na namatay dito sa cooperative kasi meron na po silang St. Peter plan tapos with cash pa na 20,000 na natural cause of death. But kung ang cause of death is accidental, magiging doble po yung 20,000. Right? Magiging 40,000 po siya. Then, the good thing is that para yung mga member po natin hindi sila magkakasakit, meron po itong kasali na 2 boxes na sodium ascorbate or alkaline vitamin C na you can take it even an empty stomach, right? But paiba-iba po siya. There are times na isang box na may C, then sometimes isang box na healthy coffee, mga ka-people's co-op. So, this is good for you, for your health, and this is the flagship of our cooperative and one of our product dito sa ating kooperatiba. So, this is your kit worth 6,000 pesos. Kung meron po kayong mga katanungan, just message lang sa Facebook page mo natin or sa description ng video ito. Meron kaming link na ilagay dyan para you can contact us. Alright? And sa mga gusto magpa-member na ating cooperative, you can visit our nearest branch dito sa Cebu, even sa Davao, sa Nueva Vizcaya. Then, you can also be a member through our website by clicking the www.mycoop.ph. Yung napakaganda, kung need po niyo ng assistance, you can message our Facebook page. Nasa baba na description ito. Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative, and I can assure you na meron pong magre-reply. Alright? So welcome to Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative, and if you want some videos, follow for more.